Hello friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which machines to buy for setting up a mini rice mill business factory and, more importantly, how to upgrade your factory when you want to expand your business. This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to set up a mini rice mill business. When starting a mini rice mill business, it's best to have a factory that can produce 500 kgs of rice per day. If you start with less, you'll likely need to upgrade your machines within 6 to 12 months. Starting with more can lead to unused capacity for a long time. Economically, begin with a 500 kgs per day capacity for an 8-hour workday. Later, as your business grows, you have two options. If a 16-hour workday is not possible, upgrade directly to 1500 kgs per day after 2 to 3 years. If you can work 16 hours, first increase to 1000 kgs per day by working 2 shifts a day. Once you're fully using the 1000 kgs per day capacity, then consider upgrading to 1500 kgs per day. Now, let's delve deeper into the exact machines you need. When starting a mini rice mill business with a factory capacity of 500 kgs per day, you'll need several types of machinery. To process rice, you need a mini rice mill. The mini rice mill is a small machine that removes the outer layer of rice. It is easy to use and helps small farmers or businesses process rice in small amounts. Aim for a machine with a capacity of 300 to 400 kg per hour, which costs around 3,50,000 rupees. The mini rice mill does not have a destoner that removes stones and impurities once the rice is out. There is also no polishing machine. That's why you will need destoner. A Paddy destoner is a machine that removes stones and other heavy impurities from raw rice to ensure clean, quality rice for further processing. The capacity of 200 kgs, which should cost around 37,000 rupees. You should also have polisher. A rice polisher machine is used to make rice smooth and shiny after they have been milled, improving their appearance and quality, with a 300 kgs per hour capacity, costing around 37,000 rupees. You will also need a weighing machine. It is useful for weighing rice per bag 50 kg wise. Weighing machine costing around 10,000 rupees. Lastly, you will need a packing machine is required for packaging of rice, possibly including features like airtight sealing. Costing around 8,000 to 10,000 rupees. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.